Honorable Senators, as you may recall, at the sitting of the Senate yesterday, Thursday, the 28th of August 2025, I allowed the application by counsel for the governor to admit the affidavit by Mr. Job Okwon Oguya and his report on the cybersecurity audit on the Kericho County Assembly electronic voting system. This decision was made based on the importance of the question on the voting system and the voting process that was undertaken by the County Assembly, and the need for the Senate to receive neutral, impartial, and dispassionate advice on this matter away from the witnesses or the parties. Honorable Senators recall that to facilitate the Senate in making this determination, I directed that the report be submitted by the close of business on Thursday, 28th of August 2025 at 6 p.m. However, by the time the Senate rose at 6:43 p.m., the report was not ready for submission to the Senate. The temporary Speaker, Senator Veronica Maina, therefore directed that the report be presented to the Senate today, 29th of August 2025 at 9 a.m. Honorable Senators, the report by the experts from the ICT Authority was submitted to the Office of the Clerk of the Senate yesterday, 28th of August 2025 at 9:35 p.m. In this respect, I now direct that the report be made available to all honorable senators and the parties to this matter. I further direct that the parties be issued with copies of the report for their reference. The Senate shall continue with the hearing as indicated in the program appended to today's order paper. However, after the close of the evidence by the governor, including the evidence in chief, cross-examination, re-examination, and questions, requests for clarifications by senators, I shall then allow the IC Authority experts to present the report to the Senate before the closing statements by the parties, after which honorable senators and the parties will be given an opportunity to ask questions or seek clarifications on the report. The Senate is accordingly guided. Now we shall pick it from where we left yesterday. Yes, Counsel for Governor, you seem to be itching to say something?
No, whether I should call my witness. Thank you.
Clerk, read the next order, please.
Order number 2, hearing and determination on the proposed removal from office by impeachment of the Honorable Dr. Eric Mutai, Governor, Kericho County.
Now, Counsel for Governor, you have 2 hours, 40 minutes to conclude your case.
Yes, Mr. Speaker.
And Counsel for the County Assembly, you have 1 hour, 30 minutes for cross-examination.
Mr. Speaker, sir, we apologize for that, but our witness is just coming in at a small stomach problem.
Sorry.
Yes, you may proceed. Is a fresh witness. Okay, then proceed to swear in the witness.
I, Honorable Hilary Kibet Pospen, do solemnly swear that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Good morning, Mr. Bosuben.
Good morning, Council.
Yes. Could you confirm that your name is Hilary Bosuben Kibet?
Yes.
Honorable Senators, the affidavit by the witness is at page 121 to page 124 of bundle 1 of the governor's bundle. Could you confirm which is your ward? You are an elected MCA?
I'm an elected member.
Yes.
Member of County Assembly,
Yes.
representing Cheplanget Ward.
Cheplanget Ward. And You are aware that we are here on the issue of whether or not you voted in favor or against the impeachment
Very
of
true,
His
I'm aware.
Excellency, the Governor of Kericho. Now, were you in the County Assembly on the 15th of August 2025
Yes, I was.
when the impeachment proceedings were going on
I
and the
was there.
decision was made?
I was there.
Okay. Now, and have you captured the events of that day in your affidavit?
Yes, I did.
And the affidavit is the one which is at page 121 to 124 of page 121 to 124, isn't it?
Correct.
And you'd like to rely on it in support of your contentions.
Yes.
You also, I would like you to be shown page 109,
Page 109.
page 109, bundle 1.
Yes.
Could you confirm what that is?
It is an OP.
It is an OP. Could you confirm that is the OP with which you reported your complaint about, you reported a complaint?
Yes, I
What was the nature of your complaint?
that I never voted
Uh-huh.
for the motion on impeachment of the governor.
So what?
And
What was the complaint?
Okay, my name appeared in the list
Yes,
of the people who voted yes
yes.
to the motion.
So you are complaining to the police about the impersonation
Impersonation?
of your phone?
Yeah,
Okay.
very true.
And you at page 110, what is it you have raised there at page 110?
Okay, we reported to the DCI headquarters Nairobi
That is also a letter of complaint to
to
DCI about.
use, to investigate into the use of an authorized digital voting system in Kericho County Assembly
Okay.
and infringement of our rights.
Okay, so that's okay. I would like you to move on to page 113. What have you captured at page 113 to page 116? That is an affidavit, isn't it?
It's an affidavit, yes.
It is sworn by how many people?
18.
18 people. Who are the 18 people?
Those who are opposed to the motion,
They are the MCS, isn't
the
it?
MCS, yes.
Okay. And what was, in just one sentence, what was your complaint?
That we were protesting against the voting process for the removal of the governor.
Okay. Now, I would like us to look at page 116 of that affidavit.
Yes.
Who prepared that affidavit? It is drawn and filed by who?
Katwa Kigen.
Could you look at it, please?
No, filed by Ms. Mite and co-advocates.
It is drawn by MS Mite and Company Advocates.
Yeah.
I can see Mr. Mutuma is aggrieved that I've asked that question. And who is the commissioner of what was commissioned it?
Brian Kiprotich Langat,
Brian Kiprotich. Where is he based?
Cable Plus, Imarisha
Where?
building
Where?
in Kericho.
In Kericho. It's owned by Brian. Now, I would like you to go to your affidavit, page 125, and I want you to go particularly to page 127.
Pardon, 125.
127, page 127. It's commissioned by who?
Chepe Ngetich Fans.
And where is she? Did you appear before her? Did you go to her?
Yeah,
Where is she based?
the same place, Cable Plaza.
Kepa
The
Plaza.
same floor, different rooms,
The same building, the same floor, but different offices.
different offices. Yeah.
Okay. And this was in Kericho. So, okay, let's now discuss the issues relating to the case. Did you cast a vote on the motion of the impeachment of the governor on the 15th of August 2025 at the County Assembly of Kericho?
No, not at all.
You did not?
Yes.
Okay. And so when the County Assembly brings a list showing your name as one of the people who voted, what is your position?
I immediately, together with the 4 members,
Your position is that that is fraud.
that's a fraud.
Okay. Now, why did you refuse to vote? Sorry. So did you vote at all, or you voted no, or you abstained?
I abstained. I never voted.
So the nature of your vote was that you did not cast any vote.
Yes.
You completely didn't touch
I
any
didn't
button.
touch any button. I had no gadget. I
Yes.
never voted.
Okay. And that remains your position as you stand before
Yes.
the Senate today.
Yes.
And that is captured in your affidavit, your first affidavit, your second affidavit, and the oath you've taken before the senators.
It's captured.
That you did not vote?
Yes.
Okay. Now, why didn't you vote?
I didn't vote because detection of fraud, there was a sinister motive, prediction of mischief, introduction of the system at the last minute. On a system we were never trained on.
Okay. So one is, I can hear you clearly saying that it is a system you had not been trained on.
Yes.
Any other reason why you didn't vote? Is there any other reason why you didn't vote? Other than the fact that you had not been trained?
Okay, I personally,
Yes.
I had the intention not to impeach, not to support the motion
Yes.
of the impeachment of the governor.
Yes, that's a different
And
issue.
now,
Yes.
Because I never trusted the system.
Okay. So your other reason is because you did not have
Yeah.
faith in the system.
Yes.
Was it, had you ever used that system previously?
No.
The decision to use it was made when?
Some few minutes to voting.
It was, the decision to use it was being made a few minutes to the voting. And did you object to the use of the electronic voting?
Yes.
Could you tell us how many times did you object?
Many times when the speaker put a question,
Yes.
we all rose up for a division.
Okay. So when the speaker, and that is captured in, you actually objected?
Yes.
Okay. Honorable Senators, we will play a video of that objection. So that was the first time. Any other time?
You yourself, being the counsel for the governor, or the legal team for the governor, requested us to stand to declare if we want electronic voting or we don't want electronic voting. And we all stood, the 18 of us.
You were also ignored. So there was a time when the question was being put whether you should use electronic or not, and you objected, isn't it?
Yes.
You also stood up when I asked you to confirm that 18 of you are opposed to it.
Yes.
Any other time you raised your objection?
And there's another time
Yes.
when the speaker called one honorable member, Paul P.,
Yes.
to go and cast his vote.
Yes.
Honorable Paul P. Moved there and he said loudly that I abstain.
Okay, so now I want us to move on to, just before we move to a different issue. So you say you are how many? How many were you were opposed?
18.
18. So if 18 did not vote, how many votes would have been cast in the assembly?
29.
29. How many are you at the county?
47.
47, thank you. Now, did you have, had you passed as a county assembly, had you passed policies, guidelines, and then a manual on the use of electronic voting?
No.
Okay. Now, you say your vote was impersonated.
Yes.
Have you come to learn who impersonated you in the vote?
Not really, but there is a clip.
Yes.
I have a friend by
Yes.
the name, and he's the motion mover,
Yes.
by the name Honorable Rogony,
Yes.
Kiprotich Rogony.
Kiprotich Rogony.
He called me
Yes.
the following day
Yes.
after he moved the motion,
Yes.
and he declared
Yes.
that he had voted for me,
Yes.
that I need just to go and sign the affidavit,
Yes.
that I voted yes.
He wanted you to go and sign, and was there, okay, apart from saying you go sign an affidavit, what else did he say?
He used a lot of lucrative words,
He gave you incentives.
incentives,
What were the incentives?
200,000 Kenya shillings,
Uh-huh.
a
200.
trip to Rwanda,
Uh-huh.
of which I objected because I had already been promised that I go to Dubai.
Yes.
So, and he said, I'll take you to Dubai. In fact, I'll give you 200,000, take you to Dubai.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if the senators really wanted to know whether that conversation took place, do you have anything to support that?
I have it here.
You
In
have on
fact,
your phone?
It doesn't.
And it's part of your exhibits.
Okay.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I request for the permission of the Assembly to play the first audio we have. We had asked the technical team to get it ready. The audio on the conversation between Honorable Kibet and Honorable Rogony.
Amaja mwana Kibet, Mati, don't waste time. You are given the out of the country. Wendy is ready. Akona mwanach, mamache koit betut ne yon kimole posters isome rabinik, asenet korong. Kifutoni enyina bread, sainen affidavit ko rone akibet. In fact, utamuja tengone 200,000 akiwe kabisa.
Ocha wakso.
Imache ana iwendi.
Jawa kakimuta bidhat akibiru baka Dubai. Bari kiwolo foreign amukimo.
Dubai muti mache keni ma muje cho.
Ami resap kabisa kimi ak lok kyuk we.
Mache ngero yawe. Na ge ma cho. Wale si. Kaza ingibet. Na mora. Oyaje biru kura otiana.
Go biru angura?
I'm using it because of you.
Pata kura anda nyone? Yeah?
I don't go in to governors.
Yeah? Yeah. Come arorun. Yeah, thank you, bro. Come alini.
Because you are defending a governor, they give it Sarta.
Araga isn't it the other?
Yeah, Jawi, we have that. I don't believe it is. I'm a mully sitting over the bed, this Javlang. We get to go on very job. I be best when I be there, the cabin water. Will the cover good out of it?
We will go there.
Carbo with kitchen. And I go there.
Air, what war is he with the air or man who think what does he win in you?
You might be able to go over one. Emotion move.
You're over here.
I gave it 10 contenders. I'm not threatening you, but more threatening over there. Kenya Bura, the MC in a way of land, was the most competent member of council. Do you know what? I'm a young really competent. If Mutu has won, they got 100,000. I was it. As a liberator, but if it possible, it's qualified.
Yeah.
I mean, the body you are so much. Yeah, ni kelly na 100,000. What wrong?
Makelena na nyira.
Makelena.
Johnny, amazing you get about this year, Alal, and Neogini. So,
report. Blanket.
I know.
Sorry.
So, what I know, go by in.
Report everything. I don't remember about Floka, NC, CDP. Governor of CDP. Governor of NAP, CDP. Mange governor will go amane.
Gali.
Awani wala the governor. Give it.
That aside, didn't Wacha, give a
Good. Ni wote mteja kidogo.
Ara utkam teja rani. Kwa hivyo wazi mtu jutu?
Kwenda la biruna baraje ngine.
Askiri chote nigersi mweje ke ajenga jetu mwanamchi.
Yero uigo roniwe. Agibe tuare na birazi gibir bura ina assembly. Stop anything. Go ni yero. Yero ya vechana bo leba.
Ele chana bo leba.
Pagacho. Mimache kazai. Mtobe wewe awendi Rwanda. En awuyono ngila moja mutenes kibet. Magi ese to kibet. Na meza reti.
Ya ese reti we.
Mati berwe to kibet. Pero look at the interest. Give Utani syringe next week.
Next week?
Daddy, Lakini labat korok vile kyabir kura. I impeach governor. Governor Mutai is impeached. Tarana koro. Ako neba emente ko impeach nwera.
Yeah.
So mati abuza ke bwana kibet. Gero nyono kibet. Abibe ile kyabir kura. That even ile kyogoite credentials. Credentials.
Yeah.
Credentials. Credentials. I gave out. Credentials.
Amigo mie kabisa.
Okay.
Unaota wewe baba.
Now, it is your testimony. You remember that Honorable Ogony was here yesterday.
Yes.